Hello, in front of me I've got NUKI 3. In this video I'll show you where are the batteries. In order to find the batteries, take a look at the bottom of the device. Right here we've got this lock. Push the lock like this and the battery holder pops out. To use batteries, remove this plastic that is holding the flow of the electricity. You can see right here the scheme how to put on batteries. Next, simply push them inside the socket. And it's done. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.